Something that I brought. I know you guys see it. Taurus 627. Let me see. 627. I just brought it. Let me see if I can open it up with one hand. Yep. 7-shot revolver. Just purchased it today. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I love this gun. Got the little cane with wrenches so I can, this part right here, you turn it right side clockwise and it locks the hammer from shooting, like a little safety. I ain't even know revolvers had that, but that's what it is. I actually like this gun too, but I'm gonna tell you a little background story. When I first picked this gun up, I was actually trying to get me a Taurus 608, a 8-shot revolver on Bud's Gun Shop, and I had went to this gun store close to the house, and I asked them, can they order guns, a Pacific gun? They was like, well, yeah, we can order it. So they asked me what I wanted, and I told them I wanted a Taurus 608 357 8-shot revolver, and they said, oh, we got that. And I asked them, really? I said, really? And the dude said, yeah. So he told me it was a Taurus 627 7-shot revolver, 357. But I was like, nah, I want an 8-shot. I want an 8-shot revolver. So then I ended up going down there. As soon as we got off the phone, I ended up going down there so I can order the 8-shot revolver 608. So then he showed me this. Well, it literally just got off the truck. Literally, it wasn't even in the shelf or nothing. They had a whole bunch of boxes just like this, and they had long rifles and boxes just like this. And he pulled it out, and I was like, damn, I ain't even gonna lie, I like that. I like the color and everything. Smooth gray, because gray my favorite color. And I was like, it is kind of cheaper. I ain't gonna lie, this gun was way cheaper. The gun I really wanted was $555. And this gun was only $415. Plus you save money. I saved a lot of money. And it was just one less round, 7 rounds. I didn't even know they had 8 shots and 7-shot rounds, revolvers. But it ain't nothing wrong with too bad. I mean, I wish I really did had an 8-shot revolver, but it's nothing wrong with it. But like I say, man, I like it. It feels comfortable. This bitch is badass, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This bitch is badass. My first pistol that I ever purchased, besides the Kel-Tec, even though that considered a rifle to me, they say it's considered a pistol, but to me it's considered a rifle. But this bitch right here, I ain't gonna lie, man, this bitch is nice. Other side. I ain't gonna never get rid of this gun. Brazil. I didn't know this gun was made in Brazil. That's crazy. Tracker. Yeah, this bitch is badass, man. Like I said, I just brought this earlier today. Early this morning, I was on my way to the mall. I was finna buy some diamond chains, some diamond earrings, but then someone was like, you know what? Instead of me buying jewelry, I might as well just buy me a pistol. And that's what I did. It feels so comfortable in your hand, man. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think about it. I just recently ordered a speed loader. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's like a thing that you put extra rounds in. I had ordered one off of Amazon. I'm gonna try to order me some more, but I just want to wait, stack up my money just a little bit more. Right now I just need one for now, but I at least want, see, since it's a 7-shot revolver, that don't really hold too many rounds like regular pistols. I at least want me about 3, I'd probably say about 3, probably about 3 or 4 speed loaders. I'll be straight. But yeah, man. One of my days off, I'm going to do another video of me testing, shooting it at the gun range. I ain't really have time today because they closed. But yeah, man, this bitch is badass, dude. Like I said, it's a 357 7-shot revolver. crazy how when you ask for some shit and then they already got it, but like I said, I'm thinking I'm gonna order me a Taurus 608 8-shot 357. They already said they had a goddamn 7-shot 357, and it's cheaper, just one less round. But you know, it's all right. I do want me another set of revolvers, but I don't know if I might get me another one just like this, or if I might just go ahead and buy the Taurus 608 8-shot revolver. I might just get this one because if I do get this one, then I can just order me another multiple speed loaders. That way I won't get mixed up or nothing like that. That way I can have the same thing look just alike. Cause I don't want to buy me another set of revolver and I just get mixed up with the speed loaders and stuff like that. So it'll just be better. Plus I save money. Cause like I say, this gun was only $415. But yeah, man, I saved a lot of money, man. This bitch is badass. I can't wait to test this bitch out and show y'all. Like I said, I'm gonna make another video. You know, I'm gonna make me another video testing it out at the gun range. I just have to fix when I'm going on my day off. And the best thing about it, I work at Walmart. So, you know, I could just buy me some ammunition for my job. You know, I get a discount. I ain't buy no ammunition because, you know, like I said, I'm trying to save my money. The only thing I brought me was this. And I got me a little holster. You know, a little sticky holster inside the pants. And that's it. They ain't really have the holster. I mean, the ammunition that I wanted. They only had like 50 rounds. That's it. But I need some way more than that. You know, at my job, we sell about 250 rounds, 100 rounds, 150 rounds, 357. So I'll just wait till I go back to work. Next time I get paid, you know, I'll buy something for my job. But yeah, man, I'm going to take care of this gun like a bitch, bro. I'm going to definitely take care of this gun. Make sure it don't get rusty.